it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our BoxyCharm box for the month of January. It's 2025. Can't believe I'm saying that. But yes, this is our box for January 2025. This is a monthly subscription if you're not familiar with this box. This box contains makeup and skincare products and beauty tools. Sometimes we get those as well. But this box is now costing $32 a month and $1.99 shipping and handling. So they did go up with the new year in cost by $2. It seems like every year they're going up along with everything else, right? So we're going to get right into this box here. The theme for our box this month is called a clean slate. I think that's a good way to start the new year off. So let's jump right in and see what I got in my IPSY BoxyCharm box for the month. Alright guys, so this box does contain 5 full-size products, which is the best part about this box because I like getting full-size stuff. So to me, the $32 is worth it because you're getting brand names and sometimes new names of other new brands that have just come out that also make products that you may want to try. So let's start off with the first thing I'm pulling out here. The first thing I have in my box, I have a Verb Ghost Mask, and I am familiar with them. Now, this is a hair brand, and I have used I want to say I used this before. I had like a small sample size, and I actually did like it. I had a few other things that I got from Verb too, between BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. I've gotten a few of the Verb products before, so I am familiar with the brand, but this is a very nice generous size of the conditioner here. So this one is weightless, softens, and it conditions from fine to medium hair. I have fine hair, so that works for me. So this is the Verb Ghost Mask. So that's our first item here, and it says this mask is light as air treatment, is designed for fine hair and easily weighed down hair, and it's powered by moringa oil, some green tea extract, and vegan protein. And this mask is designed to smooth, frizz, and promote shine. So that's great because, you know, in my natural state like this, my hair is naturally frizzy, so something like this would work out great for me. So let's check out and see what else is in my box. The next item I have a Cloa Life product. This brand I am also familiar with because I know for a fact that I received this brand in BoxyCharm before when they were doing that glass skin kind of theme a few months ago. So I have received another product from this brand, but this one we got here is the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. The Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, I mean. So this product here, what does it do? It is going to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, which I think is great. It is gentle daily vitamin C facial cleanser. It purifies and moisturizes and with nourishing botanicals that leave your skin with bright and radiant skin. So yeah, I remember getting the other brand. Now the other product that I got from this brand, the Cloa Life, I actually went and found it, and I got the Peptid Toner was the product that I got a couple of months ago with the glass skin theme. So now I have something that kind of goes together. It has a friend, so I feel like we're building a little line here of this brand. But yeah, Cloa Life, and I'm gonna just pop it out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is how the cleanser comes. It does have a pump. They actually have it sealed very nicely so it doesn't leak. So I'm not going to break the seal because I'm not quite ready to use it yet. But yeah, this is how it comes out of the box. This is a 3.38 fluid ounces. So yeah, we got a decent amount to try and then really see if you like it, which I really like. So I'm gonna pair it with its friend over here, and we have a little line going on towards the glass skin, right? So let's go ahead and see what else is in my box. Let's see the next thing. And the next thing, guys, we got glass skin Tang Halua, and I am also familiar with this brand because this brand also came in that glass skin theme box that I got before from BoxyCharm. So this product here is a pudding calming cream is what they're calling it, and it says glass skin pudding calming cream. It says our product here, it calms the skin and relieves it from stress, as well as making it calmed and relaxed through the, what is this, through the day or something? Oh, through what the heck is that? I don't know. It has some stuff in here that, you know, these old eyes can't see, but basically it has ceramicides, aloe vera, hydration, calming, and relaxation for your skin. This is a signature cream, and it helps with texture, and it has like a pudding like kind of feel to it. So outside of the box, it is pink. I haven't had one that I think looks this Pepto-Bismol pink, but yes, it's definitely pink. And then we also had this brand, as I said, from the glass skin line, and I went and found that one as well. And we had the cleansing foam out of the glass skin theme box before. So now it also has a friend. So we're building something over here with the glass skin theme. So now we have the calming cream, which I'm going to say is probably more like just a moisturizer. And it says basically you're going to use this to calm your skin. I would say it's probably like a moisturizer. So I'm just going to use it as such. But yeah, let's go on to the next thing and see what else is in here. So the next thing, I believe I picked this. This is the Gloss Modern Eau de Parfum. And this is clean luxury perfume, and this is the travel size of it. And I believe it's called Nouvelle Aimée. So I'm going to pop it out. It's supposed to be like a clean perfume scent. So, you know, on this channel, we spray because we like perfume. And let me spray somewhere. Hold up. We'll go to the hand that doesn't have to watch. How about that? It's actually a nice, pleasant fragrance. It's not overpowering or anything like that. Like, it has like a nice a little bit of a floral end on the back note that you smell like after it kind of settles. But yeah, it has a very nice clean scent. Like, I would wear this, especially somewhere. It's a nice clean scent. I like it. It's real simple. It's a nice clean scent. So I like this. So again, it says the Gloss Modern, and it looks like Nouvelle Aimée is the scent that we have here. And again, this is just a clean luxury perfume. So the very last thing that we have in our box here, we have a Seraphine Botanicals product. I haven't seen one in a little bit in this box, but this is the long wearing Hyper Glow Primer. So we have a primer in here to use. So we put this on, you know, before we put our makeup on, so our makeup stays on and it looks flawless all day. So I'm not familiar with this particular product before. I have not used this before, but if it's anything like the rest of them, you're going to take a small amount of this that comes out of the tube here, and you're going to pretty much take a pump or two and then rub that on your face like a moisturizer. And then I would say wait a minute or two before you go right in with your makeup, because you kind of want these primers to set, and they're all not created equal, so I would give it a little bit of time. But yeah, this you would just use to put this on to help your makeup stay on. It wouldn't be creasing and cracking and stuff throughout the day. It would kind of keep your face looking nice and smooth. So yeah, I can't wait to try out this primer. I love trying out different primers. You never know, you know, you may find your new favorite with trying out the different brands. So in review, we have 5 items. We have our Seraphina Botanicals face primer here, and this is the Long Wear Hyper Glow Primer. And then we have the Gloss Modern Eau de Parfum Travel Spray, and this one is the Nouvelle Aimée is what I'm going to call it. I may be pronouncing it wrong. You never know over here. And then we also have our Chloa Life. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. We also have the Glass Skin Tang Halulu This is the calming cream here, and to me these go probably together to help you with the glass skin kind of look. So the last but not least item that we have is going to be our Ghost Mask by Verb, and this is for your hair. So this is a mask for your hair, helps you with frizziness and giving you shine. So that is the 5 items that we received in our BoxyCharm for January 2025 for its clean slate theme. So guys, overall I thought this was a good box for me. I do like the variety of the box with the hair mask, the perfume, the primer, as well as the skincare items, especially that glass skin kind of Korean theme I've been trying to get into, but I haven't bought anything, so I don't really have to because the BoxyCharm keeps sending me stuff. So I'll just build my little glass skin collection over here on the side with the items from BoxyCharm. But for me, it was a good box. I would love to hear what you guys think about the January box for BoxyCharm that I received. If you guys did pick this up, I would love to chat with you in the comments. Let me know what you thought about the box. I mean, I know some of these subscriptions are like kind of going up on price, and that's going to definitely have people not picking up items like they used to be. But yeah, but for me, I thought this was a good box. I would love to hear from you guys below. Love chatting with you. But if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do post as I get boxes and buy new items. I love sharing with you guys. If that is something that you're into, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.